right there. Do you want to reach down here? Carolyn, you're good up
Boys
there.
at their pumpkin patch. Like their little field trip here.
Maya?
Mr. Dylan
Maya,
over here.
find a spot to sit. You can sit down on that pumpkin if you want. Because I know that.
There's Miss Belinda.
Sit down, honey. Sit. No.
Hey Owen, is there any way you could go closer to the other kids,
The
please?
crazy thing about this pumpkin patch is that we're straight up there.
Like maybe
That's
go
where our house is, so
on the top
We're
row
that
by
close.
Brady.
Go right here. Go up there.
Yeah, behind Matthew.
Sit down. Okay. Park your bottom, please.
There we go.
All right, Harrison. Harrison, right
What's your
here.
other
Because
boy
you'll be
in
out of the
blue?
picture. I know. Go by the very biggest pumpkin over there.
Dylan,
Right here.
Matthew, sit on the
we can't
hay,
see.
not
You're
the
behind
pumpkin.
Sophie, buddy.
There's glue on the pumpkin. Once you sit down, you gotta stay there. You're not in.
And then Tushy on the hay.
By this big pumpkin.
Thank you. Tush on the hay. Great.
And
There we go.
All right, boys and girls, hands on top. Good job. Hands up high. Hands in your lap. And smile at moms and dads. Everyone smile this way.
Oh wait, you're standing.
Oh, do it. Sit down on your bottom.
There we go.
Say, we love pumpkins. We love pumpkins.
Say
Halloween. Everybody look at Miss Belinda.
Oh my God.
Ready?
That was
Good job, Alex. All right. I hopefully got one. Yeah, right.
Between all of them.